What's rough? I hope you really dig this video. Please subscribe to the Psychoto channel. Do it.
How to install Bosch Icon wiper blades. Okay, before we install the Bosch Icon wiper blade, we have to take off the old blade. Yours may be like this or may be different. There's a tab back behind here that you press down, and as you're doing that, you just need to push down here like so, and it should come off. Some of these get kind of old and stuck. There we go. Okay, so we take the wiper blade, put this angle through it like that, and then this little thing here slips right into it. You just push up. There, I just had to pop it all the way up, make sure it goes all the way up there. Then this should be able to close and snap shut. The Bosch Icon wiper blade. It's supposed to have a spoiler on it that kind of helps push down on the blade as you're traveling to help clear off the rain better.
Just click here to subscribe to the Psychoto channel. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already. Why don't you?